have I been, guys? I know I did not give you guys a video last week. I'm so sorry. But if you're new to this channel, welcome to Moments with Sugar Grandy, where I film videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, and finance. So if you're interested in any of the above topics, please subscribe and turn on your post notification. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for coming back. As you can see from the title of the video, today we shall be talking about tricks and tips and methods on how to look expensive even when you are on a budget. Is it really possible to look expensive on a budget? Can you actually look rich when you are not rich? Well, you're going to find out in this video. The first way to look expensive on a budget is to keep your style simple. If you look at all these expensive fashion brands, they always keep their style simple. The length, the fabric, and the design of the dress speak for itself. So when you keep your style simple, you turn to look expensive, even though you are on a budget. Number 2, shop wisely. When I talk of shopping wisely, I mean buy clothes that look expensive but are cheap. When you're buying your clothes, try to look at the fabrics that look expensive, the style and design that look expensive but are cheap. In that manner, when you put on the clothes, you're going to look expensive even though you are on a budget. Number 3, invest in your beauty. Beauty is very important. The first aspect of dressing is your skin. You want to take care of your body, let your body glow, shine. In that way, when you put on your clothes, you're going to look expensive. Try as much as possible to do makeup. For those of you who don't like doing makeup, learn to do at least a daily makeup. Invest in your beauty. Also do your nails. Those are the things that make you look expensive. When doing your makeup, try as much as possible to learn how to do it so that you don't end up looking cakey, because the moment your makeup doesn't look well blended, you're going to look cheap. And also you want to wear good perfumes, because perfume tends to make you smell luxurious and classy. The fourth way you want to look expensive on a budget is to invest in statement pieces. What do I mean by statement pieces? I mean things like a structured handbag, a pair of sunglasses, good shoes, good jewelry. When you add a structured handbag to your outfit, you automatically take your outfit from a 0 to 100. So you want to invest in a structured handbag. For example, if you're putting on a jeans and a t-shirt, when you add a structured handbag to it, you turn to look expensive. Also, you need to invest in jewelries. Jewelries like a good wristwatch. When you put on a good wristwatch to your outfit, it makes you look luxurious and classy. The fifth way you want to look expensive on a budget is to know how to combine your outfit. If you're the type of person who doesn't know how to combine your outfit, you need to learn to do that. Because even if you have a wardrobe full of clothes, if you can't combine your outfit, you're still going to look cheap. If you don't know how to combine your outfit, I advise you to go on Google, Pinterest, and Instagram to learn how to put your outfit together. The moment you put your outfit together, when you go out, you look expensive. The sixth way you would like to look expensive on a budget is to buy your first designer items in neutral colors. Why do I advise you to buy your first designer items in neutral colors? To enable you wear those items often. There is no need buying an item in a bright color when you can't wear it often. Remember, we are on a budget. The seventh way you want to look expensive on a budget is to stay away from loud colors. Classy people don't wear loud colors. Learn to wear neutral tone colors like beige, white, black, gray, and all the soft colors. Those colors help you look expensive. If you've watched to this level of the video, thank you so much. And if you have any other ideas you can look expensive even on a budget, please, I'd like to know that in the comment section below. I want to interact with you guys. Till I see you guys in my next video. Bye.